Adding to the mounting totals of American Airways achievements, over 330,000 passengers carried safely in 7 years, over 50 million air miles, nearly 2,000 times around the world.
Being a flight attendant is not only being on a plane, being nice, it's a lot of responsibility.
You have the opportunity to turn a negative situation into a positive situation, and I always like and feel accomplished when those sorts of situations occur.
I wanna fly, fly, I wanna fly, 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 I wanna fly, I wanna fly, yeah.
Think about 80 years of flight attendants and what the first flight attendants started like and how much it's changed. It's amazing to really be part of something that's bigger than yourself.
They come and go, these planes, summer and winter, day and night. Dependable transportation. As you look out of the plane, each passing mile reveals new scenes. Nature painting canvases of rare beauty on the earth below.
I wanna fly, fly, I wanna fly, fly, fly.